when the sun goes down and the sky turns to red, safe from the cold in my arms, carried to bed, quiet and warm, snug and dry. Now we lower the lights and together we'll pray and sing into the night. Sweet lullaby of dreams, I will sing you to sleep. Golden sun reaches out, he whispers to me that the moon will rise, she will light up the sky. Let her stars be a guide for you, baby, good night. Moi pēpē, moi pēpē, ala mai masina. Moi pēpē, moi pēpē, ala mai masina.
We've just had a brilliant get-together of some mums, some dads, grandparents and pēpē talking about sleep and their families and how sleep happens and what's important for them about sleep. So we have some key things that we really want to encourage families to do. And the first ones are around the environment, so having a smoke-free environment for pēpē. We want to encourage breastfeeding if that's possible in that family. And then the baby sleep space, so baby having their own space to sleep in. On their back is really critical, having babies sleep on their back in their own space for every sleep. And that could be in the bed in a wahakura or a pēpē pod or some arrangement like that. If we can do that for babies, we're doing a really great step towards keeping them safe.